Hi. So I was buying these old school Soviet drills the other day, and the man who sold them to me topped it all with this nice looking vintage hammerhead. I didn't want to just fix it up with a wooden handle because I already have the same weight hammer, so I decided to come up with something a bit more interesting. I started by cleaning it up. Usually when I do this type of work, I like using fiber discs. You just put it in a vise like that, and you just polish it. This particular piece of work has all sorts of scratches and notches, so it took a bit of time. As for the eye of our hammer, we'll make it look neat with this little rotary tool here. Alright, it looks pretty good. And as I said, I didn't want to use a wooden handle, so I got myself this 60mm piece. And this time, instead of putting it through the eye, I'm gonna weld it to a side. For this type of work, I always suggest using welding magnets. This way you make sure every part stays in place and ensure for better hitching. To make sure it feels nice and comfy in hand, we'll make a grip. For this matter, we'll use a door spring. The spring is a little wide and it feels kind of loose, so I will use a bit of tape to make it firm and stern. And I'll just put this washer on the bottom. You can actually see I used the same pair of welding magnets. A bit of welding on top. And we got ourselves a nice, firm and comfy handle. You probably already guessed that I'm making a welding hammer. Because I can never find my wire brush, I decided to weld it right on it. So we try to get ourselves a nice even part, and to make sure the wires don't come off, you weld the edges a bit. And so you fix this thing right on the handle. There, a good solid stern kind of hammer. Alright, let's try it out. So it feels nice, very comfortable, I like it. Now I got a hunch the brush will wear off pretty quickly, so when that happens, I'll just weld a new one. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, make sure you press the like button and don't forget to check out these two videos. Thanks for watching, see you next time.